the graduating class of 2026. Welcome to this year's graduation ball. It is with immense joy as I stand here today to welcome you all to this special gathering. You spent years of hard work, passing exams, and navigating challenges. And finally, we are here, dressed up together and ready to celebrate your achievements. Tonight is not just about looking back at the long nights of studying and early mornings in class. Tonight is about celebrating the friendships built, the laughter shared with each other, and the unforgettable memories that made this journey worthwhile. This ball is a well-deserved break before we move on the next chapter of your lives. This year's batch didn't reach this milestone alone. To the parents and families, thank you for your unwavering love, support, and for being the pillars of strength. To the teachers and mentors, thank you for not only imparting knowledge, but for guiding us toward the individuals we are today. Tonight, let us celebrate this graduating batch's resilience and create a memorable chapter together before we embark on our new adventures. So, let's eat, dance, and celebrate. Welcome to this year's graduation ball at Night in Paris. Let the parties begin.